manonood kami ng air show. Hunter Warbirds.
Are you okay, Eddie?
Let's fix her hair. Let's fix her hat. There you go. Hi! Oh yeah. I forgot to wear sunscreen.
It's okay, Mommy. We're not gonna get burned, right?
Hopefully.
Hello from the Snatch Cat.
Thank you.
What sauce?
I'll put some more when you're in the middle.
Naghahanap na ng kakainin. Ano yung order mo?
Chicken mushroom and cheese gosling.
Please, please. Can I take this off?
No. Let's go.
Ikaw din kumakain.
Yummy.
Let's go. Let's go. Dito na lang muna tayo.
Yan yung Australian and Aboriginal flag.
eternity later.
Ngayon ay anniversary namin ni Jushel.
Wow.
Namili ako ng bulaklak tsaka chocolate para sa kanya. Sana magustuhan niya. Pauwi na ako galing trabaho. Happy anniversary. Love you. Drive muna ako. Uwi na tayo. Happy anniversary!
Woo! Ito, ikaw lang kakain nito. Gusto ko kahapon eh. Buisit na to. Thank you. Uy, ang ganda ng pink rose, ha?
Siyempre.
Wow.
Gusto mo?
Yeah, of course. Hello, guys! So, 7th year anniversary namin, pero wala kami nakaplano. Busy ang life. So, kung ano na lang maisip. May pupuntahan kami restaurant 30 minutes away. 30 minutes nga ba? 30 minutes away. 30 minutes drive. First time namin kakain doon. Para siyang Chinese restaurant. Medyo maulan
Hirap
ang
tumawid.
panahon. Very gloomy. So yan yung aming little town called Muswellbrook. Parang ghost town siya ngayon.
Kasi Friday.
Kasi Friday, tapos umuulan.
Alam.
Teka lang. Ano yan? So yan. Sobrang basa yung daan.
Malakas kasi ulan.
Uulan hanggang bukas yata eh. Gutom na ako. Ang
Bukas
chikiting
birthday
ko.
ni Kuya.
Ayan.
Birthday celebration. Advance.
Kuya! Say hi, Kuya.
Hi.
Tutulog yung aking bulinggit. Kuya! Kiss, Kuya, kiss, Kuya, kiss. Kuya, kiss, Kuya, kiss. Okay. Okay.
So I like her shoes though.
Yep. Aww. Look at the fit. Look at the fit.
Lainy boo, lainy boo, lainy boo.
Pogi, Kuya.
Wow.
Are you hungry?
Are you excited on
Your salmon?
Opo. Mommy, what's this?
Gluten free. Ito yung food namin. Beef and egg soup. Pork and chive dumplings. Pan-fried pork dumplings. Crispy noodles. Rainbow beef. And
Yummy.
salmon boy. Pan-fried salmon. Ayan, tapos na kaming mag-dinner. Busog na busog.
Uwi na kami.
Pauwi na kami. Wala namang ibang pupuntahan kasi
Ulan.
umuulan. Ito, nagwawala na. Gutom na. Gusto na dumede. Kumain siyang konti. Konting broccoli.
Thank you sa
Charay.
blessings, Lord.
Dede. Dede time.
And then go here.
Uli.
Si Kuya, are you full?
Opo.
What did you eat?
I ate grilled salmon and fries and beef and rice.
Busog ka.
Opo.
Good.
Behind you.
And we're going home and it's still raining. Let's go. Bye. Say bye. Bye-bye. We're going home.